let's see, we're going to draw a checkered flag.
Yeah, the flag that you wave at the end of the finish line when you're done with the race.
Yeah.
To say that you won. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your marker or something to draw with and some paper. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're just using our black marker. And if you have a black marker, great, but you could also use a pencil too, or a crayon. Let's start by drawing a diagonal line coming up our paper. I'm going to draw it over here on the left so that we have room for the flag on the right. And you could use a ruler too. We're drawing it freehand to practice drawing a straight line. Let's also draw another diagonal line next to it to make the pull thicker. Well, I'm gonna draw these lines a couple times to try to straighten them out. There we go. And then down here at the bottom and top, you can connect it. And then let's also color this line in. Now we're ready to draw the flag. Let's start at the top and we're gonna draw a curve down and then let's curve back up. So it looks like it's waving in the wind. Then we're gonna draw the same curve. We're gonna try to match it. And it's okay if it's not exact. Yeah, and then this line over here should be the same direction as the pole that we drew. So I turn my paper sideways so I could pull the line towards my body. Nice, good job. Now we're ready to add the checkers to our flag, and we're gonna do a little trick. First, we're gonna try to draw this same curve right in the middle. We're gonna split the flag right down the middle and try to draw that same curve. Good job. You're doing awesome. Now we're gonna split these two shapes in half. So we're gonna use our eyes, measure, and then right in the middle of those two lines, we're gonna draw that same curve. And then we'll do the same thing, repeat it up here too. Good job. Now we're ready to draw the lines going the other direction, and we're gonna draw them all going the same direction as these two diagonal lines. So let's, again, start right in the middle, and we're gonna draw it. Well, I'm gonna turn my paper so I can draw it, pull the line directly towards me. I noticed that if we split this one right down the middle, they're gonna be kind of long, and we want to try to make them square. So I'm going to start right here and pull the line and then do another one. So I'm adding two like this, and we could just use a white colored pencil on top of that. If you want to cover that, you can kind of hide it a little bit. That's okay, it's not gonna completely go away, but it's lighter. Now you can draw your next line closer to this one so that it looks like a square. Yeah, and then add another one in here. Then we're gonna do the same thing. I think we'll add two lines to make these look like squares also. If we split it right in the middle, that would be too wide. You have a lot more room, so you could even add two more lines. So you have three on that side. Yeah, that's awesome. More checkers, the better.
Yeah.
Now, the fun part, we can switch to the thick part of our marker, and we're gonna start in the corner, and we could do that one white, and then skip, and then draw or color this one in black. So let's do one row at a time so that we don't get mixed up. But we'll color this first, or the second one in black. Then we're gonna skip one so that it's white, and then we'll color in the next one black. Then we'll skip another one, and then color this one in black. Oh, that's cool. You just mentioned that you colored that in over. We didn't need to use the white colored pencil.
Yep.
We should have waited. Now we have the first row colored in. Every other square is black. Now on this next row, we're gonna start with a black square. That way it's gonna alternate differently than the first row. Yeah, and then we'll skip one, and then we're gonna color this one in. Then we'll skip another square and color the last one in.
I still have one more to color in though.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, finish that row. Now let's repeat that same step for the next two rows. And we did it. We finished drawing and coloring, which was just one color, our checkered flag. It turned out awesome. I especially love yours. And it's okay that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. And that's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.